this kind of question. Still there, you should know how to expand. That is the only part which is most important. If you can know how to expand, you will be good too much, guys, and know your like term, because this thing, it will also help you in what? In simultaneous equation. In simultaneous equation, you will end up having a linear equation there when you are solving them. Even in number patterns, guys, when you are dealing with number patterns, you will be having linear equation. So guys, know your story. So this multiply there, here it's 2x, this multiply there, it's minus 3x2, because when you multiply same base, you add the exponent. And here we got invisible 1, don't forget that. Invisible 1, do you see? And now here it's positive there, just put that positive here, do you see? Yeah, and this will multiply here, guys. Or guys, let me just do brackets there. I want to show you something. Put that positive here and do big brackets for you to expand this thing. This multiply there, it will be 3x2. This multiply there, it's minus 2x there. Do you see? This multiply here, it's plus 6x. This multiply there, it's minus 4. Close bracket. Do you see? And that positive, guys, will multiply here inside them, that positive. And if you multiply by positive, guys, you'll get this thing the way it is. Everything that will just become the way it is, guys. Here, everything that will become the way it is. And here it's positive 3x, like that. Do you see? And now in this case, guys, you can just collect like term. This, it's a like term. These are the like term. These are the like term. Do you see? So this is what you will do. If you press this thing, guys, on a calculator, minus 3 plus 3 give you 0 there. Meaning that these two things, they will disappear, those one. This one, they will cancel each other. Because minus 3 plus 3 give you 0 there. And what about this one? You'll say minus 2, you'll say positive 2, say positive 2 minus 2 plus 6. Here you'll only get what? Positive 6 there. Because also this one, they cancel, you only left with that positive 6. Meaning here you will have 6x, here it's minus 4. Do you see, guys, this thing? So please, guys, know how to collect like term then. Just know how to collect like term. That is the key thing. Because there when you collect like term, you keep the same base and same exponent. Then you only collect the coefficient. You only collect the coefficient. Do you see? Please, guys, know that thing. Take this thing to the other side so that this will become here. It's 6x, 0 plus 4. Because here it will change the sign, become positive there. And here it will be 6x, which is this thing, it's 4. What is in front from what you need? Divide by it. So that that thing that will get cancelled here. And here I will only left with what? I will only left here with x, it's equal to this thing that will give me 2 over 3. That one, it's my final answer. Do you see? And don't panic, guys. If you see a fraction, just leave it in a fraction form, or you can leave it in a decimal form there. Yeah, I think that thing there, it is the way I put it. Oh, I'm lying, guys. Ish, sorry. Meaning here it's x equal to 0.67 there. Round your answer in 2 decimal place there. Do you see? Then what about for this one? Then for this one, that this will multiply inside here. This will multiply inside here. Even then for this one, I can simplify them together, meaning this will multiply here, this will multiply here, just like that. Do you see? Yeah. And now this is what will happen now. Here I will only left with this thing there, and I will put positive, meaning that this multiply there, it's 2, because when I multiply same base, I add the exponents. This multiply there, which is plus 2x, this multiply there, which is minus x, this multiply there, which is minus 2 there. Do you see? This multiply here, it's 2x, because when I multiply same base, I add the exponents. And this multiply there, it's minus 3x there. And now here it's positive, this positive multiplied by this thing, it give me positive 4x, because same sign give me positive, but different sign give me negative 4 there. Do you see? And now I can multiply this thing here. Inside here, I can multiply that thing there, and if I multiply positive inside brackets, I'll still get those brackets the way they are. What is inside there, I'll get it the way it is, guys. Here I'll get the way this thing it is. And now in this case, now what you should do, you should check for the like term. Like term, it's the same base and same exponents. So on my left hand side and on my right hand side, let's start with my left hand side. Left hand side, guys, these are the like term. These. And here a number to a number. Do you see? A number to a number. Even down my right hand side, these are the like term here. Meaning now on my right hand side here, I'll only left with 2. This one, you press it on calculator, give you positive 1x there and 4. Do you see? And now on my left hand side, if I can press a number to a number, I'll get minus 4. And this with that one, that will only get positive 1. And here this thing doesn't have a like term. Do you see? And what I used to suggest most of learners, guys, when you see the same thing on your left hand side and the right hand side, just like this, as you can see, I used to tell the learners that these will cancel them. This will cancel, this will cancel them. Meaning that it will be 0 here, what will be left, it will be 0 here, what will be left there. Because I don't want to confuse you, let me just write it down here, this thing. Because guys, all the time when you see the same thing on this side, on that side, they cancel, guys. So let me just show you this thing. Okay, let's take this thing to the other side as well as that one. Because those one, they involve x, they should go on the left hand side. Take that number to the other side there. Meaning take this thing there to the other side, because a number to a number, this one, they got x, they should go there on the left hand side. Meaning this thing there will become like, it's x plus 1x. This there, when it goes there, it become negative x2. This go there, it's minus 1x. And here I got what? I got minus 4. That 4 there would become positive 4. Do you see? And if you can press minus 4 and positive 4, you'll only get 0 here on this side. And here, if you can notice, this it's a like term with that. We got invisible 1. If you can say 1 minus 1, you got 0. And this, it's a like term with that. If you say 1 minus 1, still it's 0. Meaning here, I will only get 0 there. In this question, I don't have any solution. The only thing that I have, I can tell that this equation, it's an identity there. This side, it's equal with that side. Do you see? This is the identity. Then what about for this one? Then for this one, guys, still you expand. This multiply here, multiply there, multiply here, multiply here. Multiply here, multiply here, as you can see. So this is how I will go with this question, guys. When I multiply that, this will multiply there. This multiply there, it will be what? It will be 2x, because when I multiply same base, I add the exponent. This multiply there, it's positive 2x. And this multiply there, it's minus 3x there. This multiply there, it's minus 6 there. Do you see? And now what about this one? This multiply there, it's 2x, because when I multiply same base, I add the exponent. This multiply there, it's positive x there. And this multiply here, it's minus there, 3x. This multiply there, it's negative 6. And this thing, it is not involved. You write the way it is. And now you should collect like term then. Like term, these are the like term. These are the like term on your right hand side and on your left hand side. Meaning now on my left hand side, I will only left with x2. This, when I press it with that thing, I'll get minus 1x there, which is minus 6 here. Do you see? Because that 6 there, it's not involved. This there, it's x2. And when I press this thing, don't forget here I got invisible 1. Meaning there it's 1 minus by 3, which is minus 2x here. And these two things, when you press them, they give you minus 3 there. It's better for you to use your calculator there. And now remember what I told you from that side, that these two things, they will cancel them, because what is the same on the left hand side and right hand side, they cancel, guys. They will cancel. That equation now will just become something like this then. Just like this then. Do you see? And now this is what will happen. This is a like term with this one. I can take this to the other side. This is a like term with that. I can take that thing to the other side. So that this thing there will become like what? This, it will become as it's -1. This will become positive 2x here. And now this there, it's -3, but that one they become positive 6. And now when I press my calculator, this will give me positive 3 there. And here will only give me what? Positive 1. And when you see 1, guys, that one will disappear. I will only left this thing as my answer, as you can see. Do you see? Yeah, that's how it goes, guys. Then what about for this one? How will you figure it out as such a question like this? Straightforward, guys. This you multiply inside here. Even here, this multiply here, this multiply here. And now this is what you should do there. Let me just remove here. This is what you should do. This multiply there. This multiply there, it's x2. This multiply there, it's positive 4x. This multiply here, it's plus 3x. This multiply there, it's plus 12 here. And here it's 4. Here when you multiply this thing, guys, invisible one, when you multiply this thing, different sign give you negative 5x there. This multiply them, same sign give you positive 1x there, because here I also got 1 there. Do you see? And now I should collect my like terms here. So here, do I have any like term? Oh, guys, I almost forgot. This multiply there. When you multiply same base, you add the exponent. And when you multiply same sign, you'll get positive there. Please take note about that. So now I can collect like term there. These are the like term together. This is what will happen there. I'll have this plus that there, it's plus 7x plus 12, which is 4 minus by 5x plus this there. And now, because these two things there are the same, from my left hand side and right hand side, they will cancel. Do you see? They will cancel. Same thing on the left hand side and right hand side, they cancel. My equation now will become like this now. 4 minus by 5. Oh gosh, what I'm doing now. And that positive, guys, will disappear, by the way. And now you can simplify again now. Collect like term, take this thing a number to a number. Like term to a like term. So this is what will happen now in this equation. I will have such a thing, which will be 7x. This will be positive 5x. It's equal to, which is 4 them. This thing that will become negative, guys, 12 them. Do you see? And now when I press this thing there on my calculator, I'll get 12x. And when I press this thing there on my calculator, I'll only get what? Negative 8 there. And I can divide what is in front from what I need. I divide by it. Meaning now this will cancel. My final answer of this question, it will be negative, I think negative, which is 2/3. Use your calculator then to confirm your answer. So let me do this one as our last question of this video. So how do you do this one, guys? This one straightforward there. This multiply inside here. This multiply inside here. This multiply here. And this multiply them. So it means that this multiply there, it's 2x minus 6. Here this thing, it goes with negative. Different sign give you negative x2. Because when multiply same base, you add the exponent. Same sign give you positive 2x. This multiply there, it's 3x. This multiply there, it's minus 6. This multiply there, it's minus x2. This multiply there, it's positive 2x there. Because when multiply same sign, you got positive there. And here when multiplying this different sign, it's negative x2. Because when multiplying same base, add the exponent. And don't forget that x there. And now collect your like term. Here's the like term. Let's check which one are the like term here. This, it's a like term with that. Yeah, only. And now when I come, also all these one are the like term. Then on this side there, which one are the like term? this, it's a like term with this one. So it means this equation that I can write it like x2, this plus that, it's positive 4, and here it's 6, and for this one there it's minus x2, and now this is what will happen there. When I press this and that on my calculator, what should I get there? Let me press 3 plus 2 minus 1, I'll get positive 4. Positive 4x, and here it's minus 6. And now guys, if you can check, everything there is the same. If here I can check, this will cancel with that, this will cancel with that, this will cancel with that. So it means now here I will only left with 0, even as well as here I will left with 0. This is the final answer. For this question, there is no solution. The only thing that you can say about this question, this thing, it is the identity. This one. It means that this side is equal with that one. Do you see, guys? Yeah. I hope, guys, you did understood this video, even though it was a long, but sorry about that. But yeah, all the best, guys, in your studies. If you need more understanding, go to the next video. Thank you.